Wilkinson behind the wheel of the number 27 truck. Jessica Wilkinson in the 11, and Nick Nicholson Jr. rounding up the field in the number 26 truck. Lights out on our Speedway Chevrolet Camaro, the most desired vehicle at Evergreen Speedway. Everybody wants to borrow it for some reason. It doesn't attract any kind of attention at all, so we're all for it. All right, let's go racing, shall we? It's going to be Matt Green. Getting underway. Aaron Green giving Amy a bit of a shove. They take a quick turn number 1. Out front, though, it is Matt Green. And check out the 85 and Rod Helmuth. Here he comes. That's where the smart money goes. Stock car racing. Just be careful with what you're doing. So Matt Green is going to pick up the lead over Helmuth. Rod will follow in the tailgate track. And we are scheduled for 25 laps for the Northwest Pro Ford truck. Helmuth now down on the inside over Matt Green. In the 7 truck up on the outer groove. Here they come now. Helmuth with an advantage coming out of turn number 4. He'll have to down into 1. Aaron Green is in the 3rd spot, followed by Davey Wilkinson, Luke Shaver, Doug Wilkinson in the 27. Don't count that 27 truck out. A lot of experience behind the wheel of the 27. Cecil Howard in the 60. Jessica Wilkinson takes her number 11 truck back to the pit. There goes Don Brown. He's going to continue to hang on. But up front is Rod Helmuth. Almost a 1 second lead over second place. Davey Wilkinson hanging in there in the 4th spot, doing a great job behind the wheel of that 35 truck. Hey, don't forget to grab your 50-50 wrap and put this right here in the white yellow vest. They wear those vests well. It's a good color for them. Highlights the hair. And how can you go wrong with that? This lap is the 7th lap. Rod Helmuth not pulling away. He could take under a half-second lead for the 85 truck as they work. Oh, we've got the 62 of Cecil